Welcome back, guys. Jet Scott here, and it's freaking cold today. Because it's not that cold. It's only like 30 or 40 degrees out today, and there's a little bit of frost, but oh well. Well, today's video is something we've been gearing towards this entire time with El Dustarino. By the way, the Duster. We got it running really good, as you saw in the last video. But we're going to get this car inspected by the Kansas Highway Patrol, because in my state that needs to happen to get, you know, the title and everything done. So that way, if you buy a car out of state, you got to get it inspected. So that way they know it's okay for Kansas. But I mean, the car coming from California ought to just be a no-brainer. But they got a lot stricter rules. But the car runs and drives good. It's just a little sketchy running with no plates. But no plate is better than the wrong plate. So just letting you guys know that's what we're getting ready to do. It'll be technically considered the first drive. We're gonna hit the gas station first, fill this baby up so we know we got plenty of gas. But what do you say we do a real freaking sweet cold start just to show you how awesome that collie is? And I'm actually gonna probably shoot myself in the foot because she is ice freaking cold. Wow, it got cold last night. Well, I hope I got enough antifreeze. I do. Good. Alrighty. Well, let's do our start. Batteries to power. Turbines to speed. Well, we're just gonna really let her warm up now. It was really cold last night, so she is vaporing like no other. That's cool. I kind of wish she was warm right now so I could really just rev it and just boom, smoke everywhere, but oh well. Still running damn good. Let's go fill her up with some fresh gas and go get her inspected and make her road legal. What do you say? Tiny car and a big man. Oh, I blame these seats. Well, we don't need this anymore where we're going. Come on, open. I do like that column shifter. You'd be hard pressed to get me to change that. First time on the street in Kansas. Man, she makes a lot of rattling noises. back in there. All right, well, we're filled up 11 gallons to full, so she wasn't really that low, but everything's going pretty good. Car's running decent, knock on wood. Fake wood green counts, right? Wish me luck. Go get this thing inspected, and see you guys in a minute. All right, well, we got good news, we got bad news. The good news, the car's legal, we're good, we're ready to get everything finished up for registration, make the car legal on the road. Bad news, that oil leak is freaking atrocious. I had to apologize to the inspector because there's a nice little stain on his nice pavement and concrete. But we'll fix that. Let's get on home, and hopefully this thing doesn't rattle itself to death because those tires have got some wicked flat spots on them. Let's get home. Duster. Great news, everybody. The car is tagged and legal now, and now we can legally drive it down the street with our flat spotted tires that rattle and do all sorts of crap, but they can't say nothing now because she's legal. Fucking A. Let's go have some fun. AKA, let's go back to the house, park the car, and get back to work because we got a lot of stuff to do. mentors, that's his 57 Chevy Shorty he built. Oh, I went to the wrong gear. Oh, there we go. We're just gonna cruise. Yeah, he took a 4-door 57 Chevy, cut it in half with a hacksaw before the time of power tools, and freaking put it together. It's freaking cool looking. I've seen a lot of shorty, you know, 57 Chevys and all sorts of shorty cars, and that's about the only one I've ever like fallen in love with. I gotta figure out what the hell's rattling back there. I bet you it's that the trunk hinge supports that are all cut out. But I'm gonna focus on driving. See you guys at the house. Well guys, the Duster made it home, and oh yeah, very happy with it. Runs and drives pretty good. We got to work on the front turn signals. They ain't working. At least they might be working now, because the car's got a hellacious vibration. I think it's just from flat spots on these tires, which need to be changed anyways because they're cracked. They look like they sat flat for a long time. We got a little cut right there. Shame, because they're like brand new. Yeah, crack, all the way fucking around almost. So yeah, these things got to get replaced, which is a shame, again, because they are like new. But yeah, maybe take a little air out because they might be a little overinflated. But she drove damn good. I mean, I'm happy with that carburetor fix. I mean, it's amazing. Clean the carburetor and put a spacer on it, and it runs like a brand new car. It's a whole different deal. It's amazing. Such a small change would do something. I mean, everything we tried, it was, you know, decent stuff. It could have worked, but it didn't. And in the end, it was just $20 carburetor rebuild kit, basically, out of my spare parts. But it was actually free. It just took me a long time to clean that carburetor completely. But I'm happy with it. The car runs damn good. It's legal now. I can drive it if I want to drive it. And, well, now we can start really working on projects, because we got plenty of things to do. But, you know, I don't think we're going to do anything super cool in this video, because I got to go get some stuff done. I just bought a bunch of parts off a buddy on the north end of town, a bunch of small block Chrysler stuff, and probably be selling all that off. But I'm going to go get back to work. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for coming along with me. I know it wasn't much, but I appreciate you coming along for this little journey, and see you in the next one as we keep working on the old Duster. So, see you then, guys. Bye-bye.